Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit fall filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter.
Show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out.
So let's start editing. First go to light. Contrast to -50.
Holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Highlights to -30. Shadows to +20. White to -24. Blacks to -60. Next go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Tint to +10. Tint to +1. Vibrance to -10. Saturation to -14. And then go to color mix. First go to red. Saturation to -25. Luminance to +20. Next go to orange. Hue to -6. Saturation to +20. Luminance to +20. Next go to yellow. Saturation to -20. Luminance to +15. Next go to green. Hue to -20. Saturation to -45. Luminance to -24. Next go to light blue. Saturation to -25. Adjust luminance to -16. Next go to dark blue. Hue to -40. Saturation to -30. Luminance to -20. And done. Next go to effect panel. Clarity to +15. Haze to +20. Go to split toning. Highlights, H2, 19, and S, to 15. Shadows, H2, 20, and S, to 5. Done. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.